Charlie Munger believes that the golden era of investing is over, but not forever. He argues that valuations have come up and the competition is more intelligent and aggressive, making it harder to beat the market averages.
You spent a lot of time today talking about how people who think that they can beat the market averages are probably fooling themselves, how much tougher it's gotten to be a value investor or even just an investor in general. And I was just wondering, do you think the golden era of investing is over?
Well, not forever.
Why?
Well, because I think it isn't like the last recession or the last big opportunity that the world is ever going to get is past. There'll be opportunities in the future. There are times that are easier and there are times which are harder.
So is right now tougher just because
valuations
valuations have come up so much?
Of course. A, the valuations have come up, and B, the competition sorting through those opportunities is more intelligent and more aggressive and more numerous. Of course it's harder. The net result is people are going to get worse results.
Do you think that the number of people who are smarter, who have better information than they used to, that will go down, or it will just be a question of valuations coming down at some point?
Well, I think valuations will go up and down because they always have. And I think we'll have smart people in this game forever, lots of them. The opportunities that we all remember came from a demoralized period when about 90% of the natural stock buyers got very discouraged with stocks. That's what created the opportunity for these fabulous records that my generation had. And that was a rare opportunity that came to a rare group of people, of whom I was one, and Warren was another. And people who start now have a much less, they have lower opportunity.
Munger believes that valuations will continue to go up and down, and that there will always be smart people in the game. However, he believes that the opportunities that came from the demoralized period after the dot-com bubble are rare, and that investors who start now have lower expectations. Munger is saying that because valuations are higher and the competition is tougher, it will be more difficult for investors to beat the market averages. As a result, he expects that investors will get worse results overall. This is a cautionary message for investors who think that they can easily beat the market. It is important to remember that investing is a competitive game, and that it is not easy to generate superior returns.